Yo, what's the deal? I'm gonna show y'all how to make y'all bass hit harder and how to get that flint bass sound if y'all wanted to. Say for instance, you got the spins. Everybody uses spins. You got the spins. You go in there, throw our bass on there. That give it a little more power to it. Then this is new plug in. Saturator go on there. Now, if you want that flint style short hitting bass, you're gonna have to go here, turn this R bass off, go over here to your sampler, turn the drive up, go to the edit. Now you're gonna bring this down to about 0.4 seconds. Bring this over, fade it out. I'm bringing the start back. Now you got